Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own photo, sing Soda Pop, the catchy song from the viral animated movie K-pop Demon Hunters. And the best part, it only takes a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just head over to the Play Store and download it. Once installed, just create an account. I recommend sign in with your Google account because it's super quick. And then the app will give you a free weekly credits and a limited number of daily video generations. So don't worry, you can try this without spending anything. And once you're logged in, you will land on the home screen like this. Now just scroll down until you see the Soda Pop lip sync template. This one. Just tap on it. And next, just upload your avatar or photo. For the best result, just choose a clear front-facing picture with good lighting. It could be you, a friend, or even a fun character image. Just tap plus button to upload your photo. Like this. Next, let's choose the voice. In this part, you can just keep the original voice or just pick different voice from the app library like this. And even you can also clone your own voice for a custom result. Just tap on my clones. If you want to clone your voice, you can either upload a voice recording files or just record it directly in the app. But for this tutorial, I will keep it simple and stick with the original voice. And once your photo and voice settings are ready, just hit animate. Oh wow, this looks good. The lip movements are surprisingly smooth. And okay, maybe that's it. You have just learned how to make your own Soda Pop lip sync video in Dreamface in just a few clicks. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.